Why does a centrifugal pump sometimes run without delivering any liquid? The answer could be as simple as not priming the pump. Let's understand why priming is so important. What is pump priming? Pump priming is the process of filling the pump casing and suction line with liquid before starting a centrifugal pump. This removes trapped air and ensures the pump can create the pressure difference needed to move the liquid. Why is priming important? A centrifugal pump is designed to pump liquids, not air. If air remains inside the pump, the impeller cannot develop enough suction to draw liquid into the pump. As a result, the pump may fail to deliver flow. What happens if you don't prime the pump? No liquid flow, dry running, mechanical seal damage, excessive heat generation, cavitation may occur if liquid supply becomes unstable, reduced pump life and unexpected maintenance. Which pumps need priming? Most centrifugal pump requires priming before a startup. However, self-priming pumps are especially designed to remove air and normally do not require manual priming under normal operating conditions. Best practice before starting a pump. Check the suction valve is open, fill the pump casing completely with liquid, ensure there are no air leak on the suction side, confirm the suction tank has sufficient liquid level, start the pump only after completing the checks. Easy way to remember: no liquid, no priming, no pumping. Conclusion: proper priming helps prevent equipment damage, improve reliability, and ensure a smooth pump operation. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, production management, instrumentation, and industrial safety.